Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, power on our phone and go into the battery in settings. So settings, let me just adjust the brightness for you. And in here, search for the battery. Here, you can enable the battery saver right here. It automatically changes your theme to the dark and it saves a lot of battery. Next thing is to adjust the screen brightness like I just did. Now, back into the quick settings, you can disable the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, here the location, mobile hotspot, mobile data, and NFC, but I don't see it right in here. And also you can enable the airplane mode. Just make sure that you disable the things that you're not currently using, because if you're scrolling on your social media and just disable the mobile data, it won't work. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.